Hi guys, welcome to one new episode to Building My Dream Kitchen. This gonna be the 4th episode. And if you didn't watch the last 3, I will put the link down below, you can check it there. So what I'm gonna do today, it's gonna be the kitchen island and much more. Obviously, I finished already the background wall and I'm gonna continue today. So guys, I have some leftover woods here, what I find around the home. And I'm gonna try to make kitchen island from that. I hope it's gonna be work.
Invincible.
So guys, these colors are all left over. How you see? I tell in beginning I'm gonna use the material what is here. And I'm gonna not spend a lot of money for this studio. Color for this. I have here black tea and olive oil. I will polish it with that, and it will be looking nice in there, and it will be protective wood. So if you repeat it more times, it will be more darker, it's gonna be much more darker. But I don't want it's gonna be so dark, I want it's little bit light, and I start now with the olive oil. How you see now it's much more darker and looking nicer for me, my mind, and it will be protect the wood for longer time. And if you see it's gonna be lost the color or lost the oil, you can do it again. Like this gonna live much more longer than I have also two cutting board here. I'm gonna do also that one. Do not worry, it's everything. What I'm gonna do is eatable. Don't have to worry that you get some poison or something. This is normal olive oil and this is effective what we have in fridge. So now I'm gonna leave this for 1-2 days till it's drying, and when it's drying I'm gonna wash it once time nice, and after it's ready to use it. So guys, finally the mostly big part of the kitchen is finished. I want to do it for zero money, but it's come some cost in the end, but not a lot. So the wallpaper it was €19.99. Let's say 20. 2-time marmor decor foil, €19 together. Blue color for the cabinet, it was €9.50. Tiles it was leftover. Kitchen island I built myself. It's also from leftovers. And the last is the white wall paint. It was also leftover. And this all is cost under €50, €48.49. And thank you very much for the channel Kein Stress Kochen. He make me this cool bill effect video. Check his channel, he have much more cooler things. Link is down below. Of course, this is not the end. The story is starting so if you don't wanna miss what is gonna be in the future, just subscribe me and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode also, and see you in next video. Goodbye.